Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video test with my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra Portrait Video Mode. Down below in the comment section, please let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds, and let me know how the stability is doing in this video as well. I'm sure everything looks great. My Z Flip 3 S21 Ultra, they kill it when it comes to portrait video mode, and I'm sure that everything looks great with the S22 Ultra. Just want to say I appreciate all the feedback in the latest videos that I've uploaded having to do with the S22 Ultra. Been having a great experience, a fun experience, getting great connectivity in my home, out and about. Battery life has been great. Taking pictures, shooting video with the cameras has been phenomenal. Screen is beautiful. Speakers sound great. No hiccups. No shutter lag either. Not on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. No shutter lag. But is it really shutter lag? I don't know. You tell me. I'll tell you this, man. The feedback that I'm getting in my videos from some of you are just awesome. I learned so much from a lot of you out there, and I appreciate it. I mean, I'm a techie at heart, but I'm still adding things into my brain. There's still a lot that I don't know, that I'm learning through a lot of you. Some of the feedback just blows me away. Like, some of it, I don't even know what you guys are talking about. I have to go and do homework to just understand what you're talking about. It's so cool how much a lot of you know. And that's, I do my own homework, but I learn a lot from you, the viewer, the subscriber, the team player. I really, really do. And it's amazing just going through and not just being able to have the opportunity to meet the new subscribers and see the names that have been here for quite a while and read the feedback and go through it and being able to answer back to you with what I know, but then at the same time educate myself from a lot of you. It's amazing. And you know what? I don't want to know it all. I love learning. I love still being ignorant to some of this stuff. I don't want to ever get to that point where I just think I know it all and and so out there doesn't, and I'm going to, supersede you and let you know what I know because it's that much more. No, man. I want to be humble about what I know, and I want to keep learning. I want to bring it in. I want to eat it up, but then I want to reshare it in a really positive way. I never want to come across arrogant, like I know it all. Because trust me, I don't. And I don't want to. And I just, with the latest videos I've uploaded and just reading the feedback, man, I'm getting so much more. It doesn't surprise me, but it's always exciting because it's been going on for years, being educated. Other YouTubers too, helping out each other, learning from each other. It's been great. I gotta order a couple coffees here, so I'm gonna put this video on pause. All right, I am back. Got my 2 coffees, and anyway, yeah, I got all excited there because it does, man. It excites me. It excites me to learn more about technology, smartphones, the products that we bring in and use to learn it, not just for myself, but from all of you. I dig it, man. I really, really dig it. Anyway, with that, let's not forget that this is a video test as well, portrait video mode. Keeping my eye on the road, making sure I'm obeying the law of the land and not just staring at my smartphone while I'm shooting this video. All right, everybody. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out.